Hi guys, and welcome to my craft table. Today we're going to do one of those Valentine's crafts that you can do last minute, or you can gather up your kids and they can do it for all their classmates and teachers, whoever, friends. Because it's so super simple. It is actually a kid's craft. I can remember my kids doing it way back, a lot longer than I care to remember. And what you're going to need is some clothespins, just regular clothespins. I happen to have these. They're just wooden clothespins, 24 to a pack. I've had them for a couple years. But you need at least one clothespin. You're going to need a plastic snack pack. And the other day I picked these up at Walmart. They are just little resealable plastic bags, just like the snack packs, and they're just small, like little sandwich bags, or you can put crackers, whatever, in them. But you need, these were already decorated with some kind of a Valentine, so you need a plastic bag, resealable bag, and of course you need the candy to go in the bag. I picked up some of the Valentine M&Ms, and the only reason they're called Valentine M&Ms because they're in Valentine colors, red, white, pink. Okay, and you're going to need some Googly Eyes. I have this sheet of all different kinds. I think they're adorable, and I haven't used them very often. Because it's this small, I keep putting it someplace and forgetting where I put it. But I found it, and I'm going to use that. You're going to need a pipe cleaner. I have a package of these I picked up at the Dollar Tree. There's some pink and some red. It was $1 for a package, and I think there was a pack of 45, and they're called pencil stems. But these are just the glittery Valentine one. You need just one. And some paint, because we're going to decorate our clothespin. And some glue. You can use regular Elmer's glue if the kids are doing it. Elmer's glue is fine. I have some art glitter glue, but for the sake of time, I'm probably going to be using the glue gun and the hot glue. And I've got a couple other little Valentine looking. I've got some stickers here, depending on what the feeling is, you know. If I think it's finished, it's finished. If not, Alright, the first thing you want to do is paint or decorate your clothespin. You could actually use washi tape. I can never say it right, or I'm just going to paint mine, and I'm going to paint it red. So I'm going to put a paper towel down, and I have my red paint sitting here, and it shouldn't take very long. You could also you could use, like, if you have markers, you know, for the kids or whatever, red markers. Mine are actually really extra fine point, so it wouldn't do me much good. But markers would work. Paint is going to work. Tape is going to work. Decorate it the way you want to. So I'm going to take this, grab a paintbrush, and basically just paint. it's painted. And yes, I forgot to tell you, I probably should have put this on the jar first. It's so much easier to paint when you're not trying to hold on to it. But let that sit for about 5 minutes. I'm only going to put one quick coat on it. I want it to look kind of childlike. I think it's cuter that way. And it is, after all, on Kids Craft. So I'm going to let that sit for 5 minutes. I'm going to wash out my brush and we'll be right back. Alright, so our little clothespin is all dry. So now we get to decorate. And first thing we need, of course, are the antennas. And I'm going to fold this in half. And cut it, hopefully. And I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to fold it in half again. Like that. And then I'm going to, around my finger, just curl the ends a little bit. Make it kind of look like little antennas. There we go. Kind of looks like a little heart. Like that. And depending on which way you want, which side you want, it doesn't really matter. They both look the same. Put your glue right in the middle here. I'm going to put a dab of the hot glue right there. And I'm going to put my little antennas right on top of it and hold it for a minute and let that cool down. And no, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to rub it, and I'm not going to burn my fingers. Fooled you. Okay, let that cool down. And now I am going to, it's still a little damp, so I'm going to let that, I'm going to figure out what kind of eyes I want for him. Now I know I don't have a lot of space, so I really do like these, but I think they're too big. So, and again, I'm going to have to revert to the normal, I think, which is kind of sad. I kind of like these. Oh well. So I'm going to go with the regular Googly Eyes and see if I can find a couple small ones. I think these will be just fine. So we've got a pair of little Googly Eyes. And that's all nice and hard now, so I'll flip that over. And again, I'm going to put some glue down. And I'm going to glue the eyes on. So I'm going to put a dab right here in the middle. And then I'm going to slide these little googly eyes. I'm having fun talking tonight. There's one. And there's two. Just like that. you go. Now you have eyes, and you want a mouth, so you can take a Sharpie or a pen, whichever you like, and make a little smiley face. Give him a little mouth. Like that. And a nose, of course. There we go. Okay. Now you need your bag and your candy. And you don't have to use M&Ms. You can use anything you want, anything that'll fit in your bag. And I'm just staring at it. I'm going to open up the bag. And I'm going to put in, probably not a lot, looks just about right. Hold it. Gonna get some of the air out of it. Press it down like that. And I am going to roll mine like in half and then put the side down. And then I'm going to in half. So we have approximately the same amount. And I'm going to give it a couple twists like that. And the other half of your pipe cleaner, I am going to wrap around like this. And make sure you leave enough to glue to the back. Because you don't really want to put, if you're using hot glue especially, you don't want to put hot glue on these little bags. I'm pretty sure they would melt. So, I think I got enough that well glued to the back. I am going to, actually I'm going to put it right on here so I don't be melting the plastic bag, like that. And then I'm going to lay my little guy right on top and hold him down for a minute. Long enough for that to dry, or at least cool down and harden up a little bit. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to take one of these little stickers, like this, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle and make him a nice little love bug. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. Cute little butterfly, full of candy. And I think the kids are going to love it, especially if they get to make them. They could put like a little initial there, if they're for somebody special, or just a sticker anywhere, as many stickers as they want, because they probably will want to. Stickers are fun. But that's all there is to it. Simple, easy, nothing to it, but a lot of fun. Great way to make some memories with your kids. And a really cute little clothespin. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, toss me a thumbs up or don't. But make sure to subscribe. I'm always uploading videos, and if you want to see them, hit the subscribe. Teach me to talk, and I'm your friend for life. Hit the subscribe button, and it'll let you know that I've done it again. So, I hope you had a good time. I know I did. And I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration to get that imagination going. And I really hope you have a great day. So, see you later now. Bye-bye.